Hey, I'm Kristen Vaughn, and my partner was Taylor in the Solar Lab heater. And what had happened was, I was trying to combine the videos. It was my fault, and we were gonna submit it, but I accidentally deleted it, so we don't have a video at all. And we did it a few days ago, so we threw away our bottles that we used in the experiment, and we're out of sunlight because it's 8 o'clock. And so we're making more or another contraption to collect solar energy to heat our water, and that's all we can film for you today, but if you would allow us, we could set it back out in the sun tomorrow and show you what we did. Okay, so for our experiment, what we have is a 3-liter water bottle, a 2-liter water bottle, and we have a 1-liter water bottle that we painted black that we're allowing to dry right now. So what we do is we're cutting off the bottom couple of inches to allow the 2-liter and 3-liter to fit inside of each other, and then put the 1-liter inside of those. Okay, now you put the lid on the one, or put the lid back on all of them actually. Here's the other 2 lids. And I'm going to fill the water bottle with water. Okay.
What do you want to eat?
Do you have like a towel or anything to sit this on?
Yeah.
I got it wet. It's dripping. It should wash out. It normally washes out.
I'll make a
Okay, can you?
the top.
Yeah, okay. Alright. There's the 1-liter.